The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It covers about 20% of the Earth's water surface. It is bounded by Asia to the north, Africa to the west, Australia to the east, and Antarctica to the south. The Indian Ocean is warmest ocean in the world. It is the only ocean that is bordered by two continents, Asia and Africa to the north. The average depth to the Indian Ocean is about 3,741 meters and 12,274 feet. The Indian Ocean is rich in marine biodiversity. To watch more informative videos, subscribe AK Fact channel. Thank you.